Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to publish your game on Roblox easily and quickly so you can share it with the world and let other players enjoy it. Let's get started. To create your game, first open Roblox Studio. If you have it installed on your computer, just open it. If not, you will need to access it through your default web browser. Once inside, go to the Experiences section. Click on New Experience at the top. This will open a new interface where you need to follow these steps. Go to File and select Save to Roblox As. Now click on Create a new game. Here you need to enter a title for your game. In this example, I will name it Car Racing. Next, add a description so people can find your game easily. You can customize this as you like, then click Save. Now go back to the File tab and select Publish to Roblox or press Alt+P on your keyboard. Once done, go to Game Settings and open the Permissions tab. By default, your game is set to Private. To allow anyone to play, select Public. If you prefer to limit it to friends, you have that option too. I will keep it public and click Save. Your game is now published. To find your game, open Roblox Player on your computer or log into Roblox through your web browser. At the top right corner, click on your profile name or avatar and select View Full Profile. Now go to the Creations tab. Hover your mouse over it and a small arrow will appear. Click on it to see all the games you have created. Here, you will find the game we just published. Simply double-click to open and play it. You can also invite friends or let anyone join since it is public. And that's it. Now you know how to publish your game on Roblox.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.